I'm the designer of this. It's the third, I guess you could say, in the line of my different flying machines and inventions that I've been working on here in the lab. So it's solar powered, and right now it's actually charging and topping off the battery as we speak. As Christos mentioned, it's a little bit of a messy process when you go out and actually field test, and one of those things that I have to do here is I have my We're going to do what's called ferry mode, so I'm going to ferry it out into the local lake. Demo, it will be much closer to the infinity shape that I was talking about. So it'll do a similar loop, but instead of just landing right back over here, it'll go another loop over there and come back. And this will be like more of a 40 seconds.
So the first set of obstacles are going to be like introduced like almost immediately after it start moving. So I just want to say that beforehand. Then I'll call out when the switches happen.
Okay.
All right.
Moving off.